So I have adjusted most patients that come in this office. I've hurt none of them through the adjusting. So if that means anything, I've seen thousands of individuals. I worked at a clinic with two previous practitioners who had been practicing over 40 years each. And again, I don't think that they had they definitely had some adverse events, but I
Hmm.
can't imagine that they've caused significant harm in any of them because the movements we do are so minuscule and they're so gentle compared to
Hmm.
what you're probably expecting them to be. Um, Chiro is a very safe profession that some people just have misconceptions about. So that's probably the most common one for certain.
Nice.